In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Minecraft Getsockopt error. So watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. The main reason behind the issue is the game's Java executable function. The issue most probably arises when the game puts forward a new Java executable prompt, which gets blocked by the firewall. The Window Defender firewall or any preventive mechanism of antivirus software prevents such prompt to protect the computer from online threat. Sometime new version of the game might cause this issue. Now let's look at the various possible fixes of the game. Step number 1. Firstly, make sure you and your friends are using the same version of the game and on the same LAN connection for local gameplay. Step number 2. The next step is open to the settings and go to firewall and network protection. Step number 3. Click on the allow on app through firewall and make sure you have checked all the Java platform SC binary to be allowed in private connection. This will prevent the firewall from stopping Java prompts from being rejected. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.